Hey guys, how's it going? This is Fixer Med, and in today's tutorial, I'll be teaching you how you can connect your Nintendo Switch Joy-Cons to your Android device to utilize on AnkiDroid. For the sake of this tutorial, you're going to need an Android device that is capable of connecting to Bluetooth devices, and you'll need a Nintendo Switch Joy-Con. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started on today's tutorial. So, go ahead and open your Android settings, then hit Bluetooth. But you can also hit the sync button on the Joy-Con, which is found between the SL and SR buttons on the interior portion of the Joy-Con. So go ahead and hit the sync button, hold it until it starts blinking, and then you should be able to see it in your Bluetooth menu. As you can see right here, I can see my right Joy-Con has been detected. So I will go ahead and connect to it and pair it. I have an older Android device, so it takes a little bit longer to pair, but as you can see now, it is now connected to my device. So I should be good to utilize it on AnkiDroid. Now I'm going to go to AnkiDroid. Then I will go to open up the settings by hitting this line with 3 lines and then hit settings. Once I hit settings, I can go to controls, and then I can see the gestures, 9-point touch, full screen navigation drawer. I have those all set to default, but enter again, I can assign it to a joystick motion controller, etc. But it's already mapped for me, so I'm just gonna keep it the way it is with the X, Y, B, and A settings. But normally I would just remap it to my own needs. But for the sake of simplicity in this tutorial, I'm just going to leave it the way it is for now. But feel free to change it to your needs. Sweet, I'm going to go to my test deck now and I will test my controls. Sweet. As you can see, it is working and I didn't use any touch input. I just hit A and it hit easy for me. So if you guys want to adjust your settings, feel free to do so. There's a lot of good settings here for flags, bury card, suspend card. The Joy-Con has a lot of buttons on it, so you should be good to map it out to any button you want by hitting on it and then add the joystick motion controller, and then you can just set it the way you want. So you can hit movement and it should be mapped. Me personally, though, I just mainly utilize, again, hard, good, and easy when I'm reviewing on the Android. So, yeah, that's it for the tutorial. As you can see, it's a pretty smooth and easy process. All you had to do is basically hit the connect button, go to your Bluetooth settings, and then map out the Joy-Con to whatever command you want it to follow on the device. So yeah, guys, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please feel free to leave them down in the comment section below. But that's all I have for the tutorial today, guys. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, be sure to leave a like. If you disliked the video, be sure to leave a dislike. If you like more content like this, be sure to subscribe to the channel to be alerted for more tutorials like this in the future. And yeah, guys, this is Fixer Med signing off. Be sure to have a great day and good luck studying as always. Goodbye.